Hey guys, I'm Paul, the founder of D7 Lead Finder. I'm just going to give you a quick run through today on how the tool works, just so you can get a rough idea on what you can do with it. Let's make a sample search for realtor, let's say in Miami. Okay, we click get lead data. And as you can see, we have a list here of the businesses. You have the business name, the phone number, email address, website URL, a Google page here, the country, only one we're sure, the LinkedIn page, Facebook, Twitter, we've got Instagrams, the city, and the remarketing column. This is whether they're using the Google Pixel or the Facebook Pixel. This gives you an idea on whether they currently have an advertising budget or not. You can export in Excel, CSV, or you can in a PDF file, and that will give you the full email address, the full street address, city, postal code, and all of these fields shown. The custom audience on Facebook or AdWords will give you a ready-made CSV file, so you can import a custom audience into Facebook or Google. You'll see here for this search, we should have, let's see, we have 356 businesses for Realtor in Miami, and it can vary between perhaps 100 to 400, 500, depending on how popular the keyword is. You can filter the results here. For example, if you just want within Fort Lauderdale, you can, and whatever you show on the screen here will export in an Excel file. That's it.